What is up, guys? So I want to give you guys a quick update about my bike. So it's been having a cold start issue where when you turn on the bike it doesn't want to stay on. So pretty much I'm going to take her to my buddy Bonimoto to change out the spark plugs today, and then after he's done we're going to take the bike to Two Wheel Dyno. It's long overdue for a tune. I'll show you guys quickly what it looks like. So right now it has the Akrapovich full titanium header with the SC Project exhaust. Moment of truth. For some reason the bike didn't have an issue starting today, but it comes and goes. We made it to Bonimoto! Dang, look at the setup today. Alright, how much is that one over the white one?
10K.
That's it? That's cheap. Oh yeah, that was my old bike.
It's $8.99.
I used to have that one. Alright, so I started the bike. This time it didn't have issues. It was like, and then it started. We got the bike doctor over here. Fix my bike.
We hope it.
You've been
will
working
make a
out.
difference. Nah, man, no.
I used to have this $8.99 back in the days, but in red. All right, well, Bonnie's gonna open her up. I'm gonna head out to a car meet, which is happening at a Boba spot. So I'm really excited to drive my car because we changed out the mid pipe last week from the OEM kind to Tome, and it sounds so much better.
Hey guys, we're here with Kirani's car today, and today we're gonna be riding my FD.
It's gay.
We got Underglow. Look at this guy. Hey, 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 hey. I got pulled over.
Did you get a ticket?
No, he let me go, but look, he changed the plate for me. You know the plate only has, because it's Japanese, right? Only fit one. The other one, the hole doesn't line up. So he just put one. Oh, there you go. Just leave it for now.
You put a Japanese one in here?
Yeah.
That was in the front?
Yeah, it's always been like that. And the car was like, oh, what's going on with the plate? I'm like, oh, I was at the car meet.
Shut
up.
Yeah, piece of shit.
Hey, at least mine runs.
Hey, at least barely. At least
Barely.
It's hanging by a thread right now.
Shut up, you should dome and run. You have no engine. What's up?
I got an engine. What color is this?
It's a Porsche Amethyst. It's like same thing as Midnight Purple, but if you look in the sun, the flake is smaller.
Nah, he just pulled one screw.
So who did they pull over?
You. Just
Damn it. We got more Popo. Annie, are you getting arrested? Oh no. Arrest her! Arrest her!
Be in the police car. Driving it.
Walter!
You gotta grab the grill. You gotta grab the grill, yo.
He's like, DJ, drop that beat.
I don't think so.
We got NSX!
I just gotta pull it.
Hey, baby!
I'll ask him.
Be like, are you gonna arrest CP?